Hey guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to be installing Skype. Let's get started. Okay guys, so to download and install Skype, you're going to want to go to your browser and you're going to want to type in this link. If you're in Windows 10, you could also go to your Microsoft Store and search Skype and get it. You're going to want to go, but anyway, once you're done, you're going to want to go here and depending on your operating system, install it. To find it for Mac OS X and Linux distros, just go here and select it. We're just going to choose Get Skype for Windows 10, and you're going to get this pop-up. After you get the pop-up, just click Open Microsoft Store, and it's going to open here. And you guys are going to want to actually download and install it. It'll just tell you Get, and then, yeah. And then after it's done, you're going to want to click Launch. I'm going to sign out for this purpose. I thought I signed out, but yes. Okay, we're going to sign out here, and it's going to give you this pop-up. You're going to want to log in with whatever login you want. And yeah, it's going to just, if you are setting this up for the first time, it's going to just give you options for like microphone, audio, video, stuff like that. And let me just take a moment to talk about free meeting platforms so far I'm talking about. There is Zoom, Google Meet, and now Skype. These three are all pretty similar, but they all have their pros and cons. Maybe in another video, I'll go over them. So here, you're going to want to, if you are new, search people, groups, and messages. You can just search for your friends and colleagues on Skype. And friends, family, colleagues, yeah. And then here you'd see your recent chats or calls. So, yeah. To get started, if you want to make your own group chat like this, go to calls and then click Meet Now. It's gonna make this group chat thing for you, and then you can just click Start Call here after it's done. Then here goes automatically to this meeting with Vladen, and you'll have some options here. Let's start explaining what those options mean. In the share button here, you have a lot of options on how to share it with your friends. You have copying link, Skype contacts, default email, Outlook email, Gmail, Facebook. Gosh. Next, here you have your mic audio settings if you hover onto the mute button. And then here, if you hover onto the video button, you will have your video settings. And also, if you saw there, it gives you option to choose a background effect. That's right. Kind of like in Zoom, there is a virtual background option. So, check that out. Here you have the hang up button. Just hang up. Here you have the chat button. You can chat whatever you want, like hi, or hi, or hi, or hi, or whatever you want. Actually, chat whatever you want. Don't chat whatever you want. And then here you have the audio and video settings from before. There. Here you have the same dashboard from before you started the call. This isn't fully necessary. And then here you could zoom, enter full screen, and not full screen. This is good when you have a huge call or it's a long call. You would want to do it full screen so that you weren't distracted by anything else. Next, you could add people to the call, and you just click on it, and you will see how same options from here, right? And then here, when you click Meeting with Vladen or whatever the names of the chat called, you can see who's on this call and mute them. Just mute, unmute, mute, unmute, right? You could share a link just like in there too. So here you have the more button, and yeah, I already went over that. Okay, that's it. Once you're done, just hang up and then close. And then guys, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button with the bell notifications icon. Smash that like button too. And if you guys have any questions or comments, post them in the commentaries below. See you guys next time.